Hello everyone. I'm here just to demonstrate my coding that I have done for CS50, lecture 0. Just a quick to tell you that I have zero experience in coding. I have not done coding before, so this is the first time for me. So I used all the information that I have from the professor, Mr. Yu, and I have been very careful with my, coding. So I did exactly what I just learned in lecture 0. So I have no experience in coding. I just used what I learned. So here is what I did. So I used 4 HTML pages, and I used different kind of lists, unordered list and ordered list. Also, I used a table. I used an image. But here, as you can see, let me start from the beginning. I start with the style sheet from a bootstrap, okay, and I put the image, which is just 10% the width, and I also got the image from a link online, which make it easier for me to see the website and to see the picture of the website without the need of putting a file or putting an image in a document. So this is what I did. Also, I used ad media as per the requirements. I put the media here that I used is when you shrink in like this. I will be showing you. So when I shrink it, it become blue. So this is the actual website. This is how it looks like. So this is the image. This is the style sheet. And my website is only talking about phone shop, and I called it 123 mobile phone shop. And I'm talking about 3 categories here, which is the iPhone, Samsung, and LG. And I put the model. I put the price. I put information. Also, I used the other coding when, for example, you can see the other stuff here in the paragraphs. I can just go straight to the paragraph. For example, Samsung or iPhone, you can go straight. Also, as per the requirements, it was saying that I have to include like the HTML, 4 HTML pages, and from a window you can go to another window, which I used here. You can go, for example, to the iPhone main page, and you will go to the Apple Store directly. This is one. And the second one also is if you can go to another HTML page that I have done, which is click here for iPhone page, and then you will just go for the iPhone. And then if you go for the Samsung, then you go for the Samsung, and the same thing for the LG. So I used all the information that has been given me by Mr. Yu, and I used it exactly what I learned in my way. I know it's not the best website ever, but this is only lecture 0, and I think I've done some great job since I'm zero experience. As you can see, also I used the table. The tables here I put the brand name, the model, and the price. I used the ID, and I used the bootstrap. I used the paragraphs. I just took those paragraphs from online for each one. For example, the iPhone, what is the iPhone, what is this model, and what is about the Samsung, and so about the LG. Okay. Also, I used the one that takes you directly to the website of Apple, the one that takes you directly to the website of Samsung and LG as well. And here I use the click here to take you to the HTML that I have done, which is, for example, the iPhone here is the iPhone here, and this is the coding for the iPhone that I have done. I used class, I used the divisions, I used padding, rows, and images as well. In Samsung, I used a link. I used an image from a link. I used a breadcrumb, which I took from Bootstrap as a component. And that's about it, you know. And here in the project 0, if we go down, I used the list and the unordered list and the ordered list, and I used the container, I used the rows and classes. That's about it. Thank you so much.